Into the mask, we have some nice headgear here. I really do like the headgear and the soft materials from the Philips mask. Not saying that the resin masks are bad, but I've always liked the mask from Philips. We have a top headgear here where we can tighten it, okay? The back, going to the back of the crown there, we have Philips Respironics logo, and you can see this cross section is really kind of hugging the back of the neck area. This is giving it a quite snug and secure fit. Going around the front, we see that we have adjustment straps up here as well. And then right here we have the magnetic clips. So it just snaps on like that, really easily. Now close up, you might be looking at this and being like, wow, the magnet snaps on so easily. It must be a strong magnet. You are correct, it is a very strong magnet, hence the voluntary recall from Philips Respironics for a mask like this. If you haven't heard about it, basically the masks, many Philips masks are affected by this, and it's the really strong magnets they use for the clips. The magnets have a magnetic field of, I believe, like 6 inches in terms of the radius, so you can't have certain medical devices such as a pacemaker within 6 inches from that clip. So as you can imagine, if I had a pacemaker down here, my head's kind of sinking in the pillow, that's less than 6 inches, hence the recall. So that may affect you if you have things like a pacemaker or other medical implants. If you do not, you probably don't have to worry about that voluntary recall. But nevertheless, the magnets are a fantastic feature. The older version, you might see some older reviews of this on YouTube, just have a clip here that you have to tie this guy down. The magnets do make it a more convenient fit. At the front, we have this